5 behaviors that make a man miss you like crazy. Every woman needs to know this. Today, we're diving into a topic that I believe is absolutely crucial. It's a question I've been asked over and over again. And honestly, the number of messages I've received on this mind-blowing. The question is simple, but powerful. How do you make a man miss you like crazy? Sounds exciting, right? Welcome to this adrenaline-filled real-life action movie. Because once you master this, everything changes. I've written down 5 powerful principles in my little black notebook. These aren't random tips. This is a strategy. When I work with women one-on-one, there's one goal: results. I don't tolerate failure. I'm here for success. You want to make a move? You want to draw him in? Then let's do it right. Relationships are like chess. If you don't want to play, that's fine, go play checkers. But if you're in it to win, you need a strategy. Pure, just be yourself doesn't always cut it. Can being completely unfiltered, clingy, or too available truly get you what you want? Do men really fall in love with someone who has no sense of mystery? Let's be honest, they don't. So yes, you need strategy. And I'm going to show you how.
Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a moment of insight.
Behavior 1. Build your signature style and show him you're fine without him. This is where mentoring truly begins. Creating your own unique identity. My favorite part of working with women? Helping them discover their own style. Because every woman needs it. And no, it's not one size fits all. Once a woman finds her style, she finds her freedom. And success in relationships, marriage, even in her career follows naturally. So, define your vibe. Show him with certainty. I can live without you. A man will never miss a woman who is completely dependent on him. If he sees you as always available, he won't value you, and he definitely won't respect you. One of the worst things he can know? That you're afraid to be alone. Show him that you have your own life, and when he goes silent, that's when he starts to miss you. Behavior 2. Confidence is magnetic. Listen carefully. A man never misses a woman who lacks self-confidence. In fact, he runs from her. Jealousy, insecurity, emotional pressure, they push him away. Where are you? Why aren't you replying? You saw my message. Why no answer? That energy screams insecurity. And it's the same for both genders. It's not about being male or female. Everyone needs personal space. That clingy, suffocating kind of relationship? It's a recipe for disaster. So, protect your space. Be confident. Stay grounded. Behavior 3. Add playfulness and passion. Relationships need play. That's why we call it playing together. Humor, teasing, surprises, flirty word games. Even sensual jokes. Yes, it matters. Because what truly holds a relationship together is passion. Instead of just saying, I miss you, say, I was working today and suddenly thought of you and started sweating. For some reason, thinking about you excites me. That hits different. Don't take side roads. Go straight to the emotional highway. Make him feel something. Messages like this create emotional barbed wire in his brain. You lock in. Flirty teasing works wonders. You're getting a little soft around the waist. I only date fit guys, you know. The goal is to keep him emotionally engaged, even during his busy day. Not with complaints, but with playful, sexy, intriguing messages. Thinking of what we could be doing together gets me excited. These aren't just texts, they're traps. Psychological anchors that make him obsess over you. Behavior 4. Make him feel unique. Men grow up in competition stronger, smarter, faster, better. So to make him miss you, make him feel you are different from the rest. You have such a unique mind. I've never met someone who makes me laugh the way you do. Your music taste? Incredible. It's not about gassing him up. It's about noticing real details. A man wants someone to see his difference. And when you are that someone, he gives you his full attention. Don't go for "you're so handsome." Everybody says that. Compliment something real, something only you noticed. Behavior 5. Keep your own life intact. Show him, "I can live without you." Again and again. Never cut off your own social circle for a man. Don't isolate yourself. Never put all your emotional eggs in one basket. Because when things end, you'll need your people. And they'll say, "Where have you been?" So keep living. Go out with friends. Keep your hobbies. A woman who has her own life is never in his pocket. A man cannot miss a woman who is fully dependent on him. He misses the woman who stands strong on her own. So say it. "I'm going out with friends," and mean it. Don't let him think you're wrapped around his finger. If he feels like you have no life outside him, he'll lose respect. And trust me, respect matters more than love. If there's no respect, love means nothing. A man who doesn't respect you will never treat you right. I care about this community. I want you to thrive. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next one. Let me know if you'd like this script adapted to voiceover, animated video text, or split into YouTube shorts.
If you're enjoying this journey into the mind and soul, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a moment of insight.